Hello Anjana. Today we are starting with one of the most basic parts of the speech, the noun. Now many learners think nouns are very easy, but honestly, they are often misunderstood.
Absolutely, Lalit. Students usually memorize the definition but don't really understand it. So, let's begin slowly. A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, or thing.
Right, let's break that down. First, person. That's the easy category.
For example, teacher, doctor, Anjana, Lalit, Akbar. All these are nouns because they name people.
Good. Now comes place.
Places like school, market, Delhi, Kolkata, India, park. Anything that tells us where, that is a noun.
So far, very clear. But the real confusion usually starts with the word thing, right?
True, because students think thing means only physical objects.
Like book, pen, table, chair.
Yes, those are things we can see and touch, but the definition doesn't stop there.
That's an important point. The note says the word thing includes anything that we can think of.
Which means even if we cannot see or touch it, if we can think about it, it can still be a noun.
Can you give some examples?
Of course, words like honesty, courage, happiness, love, freedom. You can't touch them, but you can think about them. So they are also nouns.
That's very interesting. So nouns are not only concrete objects, they can be ideas, feelings, and qualities too.
Exactly. For example, the boy showed courage. Here, courage is a noun.
And in the sentence, her honesty won everyone's respect. Honesty is also a noun.
Yes. So a simple rule for learners is, if a word names anything at all, a person, a place, an object, a feeling, or an idea, it is a noun.
That really simplifies it. Instead of overthinking, just ask, what is being named?
Yes, and once learners understand this, grammar becomes much less scary.
True. In the next video, we can talk about different kinds of nouns.
Yes, common noun, proper noun, abstract nouns, all that. But for now, this foundation is very important. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Happy learning.